मिनी डिफेंडर बोलो या सियरा विद कस्टम मॉड्स बोलो, एक चीज तो फॉर श्योर है, व्हेन यू लुक एट दिस कार इन पर्सन इट एक्चुअली लुक्स रियली रियली कूल. नाउ इवन बेटर इज दैट मैंने अभी जस्ट टाटा से बात करी एंड व्हाट दे सेड इज व्हाटएवर यू सी ऑन दिस कार विल एक्चुअली बी अवेलेबल टू यू फॉर सेल एज एक्सेसरीज. सो चलो देखते हैं इस गाड़ी में क्या क्या है. Okay, so starting from the front, you get this piece over here with a larger Sierra logo on top. ये bumper जो है, this is also an accessory. Then you also get these hood scoops which are actually not real but they are there for looks. On the side ये जो glossy wheel arch है उसके ऊपर ये एक अलग से कवर मिलेगा. On the side over here you also get this panel over here as well. यहाँ पे अगर आप देखोगे you get side steps and you also get this cool looking stickering on the side. And when you come over here at the back, you have another full strip accessory over here and this panel which is also developed specifically for the Sierra along with this larger lettering for the Sierra logo. And also over here at the bottom you again have a different customized bumper. Now along with this roof rack you also get this attachment of a foldable ladder, and if you look at the details you will actually also find that when you open the door, यहाँ पे नीचे you will get these sill plates which are specific to this package. Now if you really want to get into cooking your own cuisines where you're on the move, ये सारे accessories like this cute little oven, this air fryer and a couple of other things will also be available as part of the accessories. So what I've understood is there are going to be two separate packs in terms of accessories. एक है जिसमें ये सारी चीजें आएंगी and एक में whatever you see on the car, these things will be coming. Prices are not yet announced, but what do you think should be the right price for this as well as this, either separately or together? Let me know down in the comments.